involved in the chemistry. Today we'll say about the atomic and molecular masses. What do you mean by the term? That is atomic as well as molecular mass. See, till now we know that atomic mass refers to the mass of atom, because heading itself reveals the definition. Atomic mass means mass of an atom. But how will you define it scientifically? How can you define? See, in order to define atomic mass, that is carbon 12 isotope. Again, what is isotope and all those things in detail we will study under the heading that is atomic structure. But now I don't want to discuss that. I just want to define the things. What is the meaning of atomic mass? So, in order to define the term atomic mass, what chemists has done is they have taken carbon 12 isotope as a standard. What they have done? They have taken the isotopic form of carbon. We have three isotopic form of carbon. In that, the one is carbon 12, means the atomic number of carbon is 6, mass is 12. So, they have considered carbon 12 isotope as standard one, and by considering that, they have defined the term atomic mass, that is 1 atomic mass unit. So, each and individual masses will be defined in terms of what 1 atomic mass unit. How? See, 1 atomic mass unit is nothing but the mass, it is 1 by 12th the mass of carbon 12 isotope. It means कार्बन 12 आइसोटोप का मतलब क्या है? इस कार्बन का वेट 12 है, राइट? सो इस 12 मास, 12 वेट वाले कार्बन में 1 पार्ट जो है उसका नाम है 1 AMU. Definition: 1 AMU is defined as the mass which is equal to the 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 isotope. कार्बन 12 आइसोटोप में एक पार्ट जो है उस पार्ट का दूसरा नाम है 1 AMU. Again defining, 1 AMU is nothing but the mass which is equal to the 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 isotope. Here, this term AMU is also replaced by one more term U. Here U refers to unified unit. U का मतलब है unified unit. So अगर आप किसी भी एटम का या फिर मॉलिक्यूल का या किसी भी एलिमेंट का एटम, बिकॉज हम talking about atomic not molecule. So atomic mass I can define, I can represent in two ways, either in terms of what AMU or U. Both are same. This was about atomic mass. But if you are not knowing about this concept, how you might define atomic mass? Refers to the number of protons and electrons present in a neutral atom, because you know that neutral atom contains equal number of protons and electrons. So the summation, protons and neutrons, the summation is called as what? Atomic mass. So I don't want this concept here because it is older one. In the sense, it is a basic concept, but I want somewhat extra level, so I can define atomic mass as 1 AMU. 1 AMU refers to the one, that is the mass which is exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of carbon 12 isotope. This is nothing but 1 atomic mass unit or atomic mass. So this AMU can be also replaced with the term U, that U is referring to unified unit. Now, what do you mean by the term molecular mass? See, no doubt, as I said, the summation of atomic masses of all the elements present in the molecule. I am repeating, molecular mass is the summation of atomic masses of all the elements present in a molecule. एक मॉलिक्यूल में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होंगे उन एलिमेंट के एटॉमिक मासेस का समेशन, एडिशन का दूसरा नाम है मॉलिक्यूलर मास. दिस इज अंडरस्टूड बाय टेकिंग एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, a very simple molecule called as water, H2O. How will you calculate the molecular mass of H2O? See, as I said, molecular mass is the summation, the addition of atomic masses of all the elements present in a molecule. यहाँ पे कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं? 2 एलिमेंट्स. कौन से? हाइड्रोजन है और एक ऑक्सीजन है. इन दोनों के एटॉमिक मासेस को ऐड करना है, नो डाउट इन दैट. ओके, लेकिन कैसे ऐड करना है? देखो यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं? 2 है, तो 2 into atomic mass of H. Why 2? Because there are 2 hydrogens. Plus oxygen, how many are there? 1. 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. ठीक है? So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen कितना है? 1 plus 1 into oxygen का वेट कितना है? Oxygen weight is, atomic weight of oxygen is 8. इसका double will be 16. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 16 ones are 16. The summation will be 18 gram. Are you getting? I'm not, मैं कोई चमत्कार नहीं कर रही. 1 and 16, there is no any kind of miracle I am doing. The thing is, you have to remember the atomic masses. The simple way of remembering is just double the atomic numbers, maximum cases, except few. Okay, so you have to at least remember the atomic numbers of selected atoms, that 1 to 20 minimum I'm telling you. Okay, if you remember all the things, that is extraordinary, no doubt in that, but minimum starting 20 elements you have to know the atomic masses, you have to remember it. So just add the things, you'll get the answer. Or you can also write 18 AMU or 18U. All are same. This was about molecular mass of water. Similarly, if I calculate the molecular mass of methane, CH4, very simple, the simplest molecule of organic chemistry, methane. So here, how many elements are there? No doubt 2. Consequence, one is carbon and the other one is hydrogen. How to calculate? See, as I said, how many carbons are there? 1 carbon into atomic mass of, no doubt, carbon. Plus, how many hydrogens are there? 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen. Now, 1 into atomic mass of carbon, as I said, double the atomic number, maximum case. If not, at least you should remember the mass of 1 carbon atom is 12. Okay, 1 into 12 plus 4 into mass of hydrogen, I just said that 1. This is 12 plus 4. How much? 16 gram or 16 AMU or 16U. This was about calculating the molecular mass. Similarly, if you take one more molecule, okay, I have numerous. I can do it in any numbers, but for selected I will take, if I took the next element is C2H6. Its name is no doubt ethane. How you are calculating? No doubt how many elements are there? 2. Which are those? One is carbon, another one is hydrogen. How to calculate? So how many carbons are there? 2 carbons into weight of 1 carbon atom is 12. Plus atomic mass and molecular mass. Simply only two things I have defined today in order to not create a confusion. So the two definitions are atomic mass and molecular mass. Atomic mass we have defining in terms of atomic mass unit. The definition of one atomic mass unit is it is the weight exactly equal to 1/12 the weight of carbon 12 isotope, because their carbon 12 isotope is taken as a standard. Then after coming to molecular mass, as I said, in case of molecular mass we have to just add the atomic masses of all the elements present in a molecule. This is very basic but very important, because in future if you are supposed to in second PU or any way if you are going for a chemistry option, where you have to know the calculation of mass of a molecule, once you should know the molecular formula. Unless you know the molecular formula, see